Imagine having a magic key that controls who enters your AWS castle. Well, that's IAM. It lets you decide who gets access and what they can do. Think of it as the security guard of your cloud kingdom, ensuring nobody sneaks into places they shouldn't. By structuring permissions with users, roles, and policies, IAM keeps your AWS environment tidy and safe. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Let's talk IAM, AWS's bouncer that decides who gets VIP access. It's like having a guest list for your cloud resources, ensuring only the right people get in. By allowing fine-grained control, IAM ensures your AWS environment stays secure while making authentication and authorization a breeze. Security isn't just locking your door, it's knowing who holds the key. IAM prevents unauthorized access and strengthens security by managing permissions smartly. Plus, it lets you track user activities, ensuring accountability. Whether it's compliance or governance, IAM keeps your AWS fortress intact. Imagine AWS IAM users as employees in a company, each needing different access levels. You create users with unique credentials and assign permissions via policies. Because let's face it, you wouldn't give everyone the CEO's password, right? Grouping users makes management a breeze. Permissions in IAM are like access cards in an office. Everyone gets exactly what they need and nothing more. By using IAM policies, we ensure users only access necessary resources. Remember, the least privilege principle is like giving someone only the office keys they need, not access to the CEO's private lounge. IAM policies are basically rulebooks for AWS access. Written in JSON, they let us tailor permissions neatly. Managed policies simplify everything, because let's be honest, who wants to rewrite security rules for every single user? Follow best practices, and your AWS environment stays secure. IAM roles are like guest passes at an event. They grant temporary access without the hassle of permanent credentials. AWS services like EC2 and Lambda love them because they ensure security while keeping things flexible. No passwords, no problems. Access keys are like secret codes for API requests, but treat them with caution. Regular rotation prevents security risks, and please, never hard-code them in applications. Better yet, IAM roles eliminate the need for access keys altogether. Think of MFA as your AWS security double-check. It requires not just a password, but an extra verification step. That way, even if someone gets your password, they can't get in without the second factor. It's like putting an extra lock on your digital door. Imagine handling permissions individually. Chaos, right? IAM groups streamline access management, making life easier. Role-based access ensures users get only what they need, nothing extra. Groups act like permission bundles, add users and boom, they get relevant access. Need temporary permissions? That's where roles shine. No more unnecessary privilege hoarding. Keep it simple, secure, and smart. Least privilege access. Because why give users the keys to the kingdom when they just need access to one room? Write policies that are super specific. Let IAM policies be your guardrails, preventing accidental overreach. Only allow actions truly needed, cutting unnecessary risks. And don't set and forget, review those policies regularly. Security is not a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process. Think of AWS CloudTrail as your detective. It records everything IAM related. Logs aren't just for show, they're your safety net during security audits. Keep an eye on unusual activity, because oops, I didn't do that moments happen. Set alerts so you're not scrambling when something suspicious pops up. Security is about knowing, not guessing. Security starts at login. MFA adds that extra barrier against intruders, It's like having an extra lock on your door. Root accounts should stay in the vault, not used daily. Rotate keys before hackers get too comfy. And passwords. No 12,345 nonsense. Think strong, think unique. Simple precautions lead to a fortress of security. IAM troubleshooting isn't guesswork. It's detective work. First, check policy permissions, something blocking access. Users confused. Verify their roles. IAM Access Analyzer. Your secret weapon. It highlights misconfigurations you missed. And when all else fails, there's always AWS documentation. They've got answers, so no need to reinvent the wheel. Security isn't a one-time affair, it's a lifestyle. Group roles smartly, restrict access where needed. Watch logs like a hawk and never compromise login security. IAM is powerful, but only if used wisely. Nail these best practices, and IAM becomes your best ally against threats. IAM security isn't just about rules. It's about mindset. Regular reviews keep your policies relevant. Educate your users. Security isn't common sense for everyone. Automate security checks to save time and prevent slip-ups. And Oz, always evolving, stay informed to stay secure. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.